Hello, welcome to Cabbage Patch Soap. My name is Laura, and today we're going to be making Sugar Plum Soap. I want to apologize in advance. Apparently, after I recorded my videos, I noticed that there was some sort of a technical hiccup, and I lost a lot of footage. So this video and some following videos afterwards are going to be missing either small or large chunks of footage. So I'm going to do my best. Here I have mixed the lye water in with the oils, and I'm just going to stick blend that to get them mixed together, just well enough to where I can split up the batter. I'm going to be splitting this into two different colors. The main body of the soap is going to be white, and then I have a pale purple, like almost a plum color, like a pale plum color for the accent. This is the fragrance going in. It smells really nice. It has kind of a fruity, kind of a cool smell to it. Is very, very sweet smelling. I believe real sugar plums are actually chocolate, but this fragrance I think went with the sugary and plummy smells instead of what the actual candy tastes like or looks like. Now here I'm pouring off a small portion for the purple. And then I'll be mixing in the white first. And I'm just adding this to the soap batter, and then I will need to mix that in really well. This fragrance didn't seem to accelerate at all, so I had plenty of time to work with it, but the batter did get thick when I went to pour, which was fine because I wanted the batter a little bit thicker because you'll see when I make it, but I wanted the drop swirl to almost look like fruit, or at least give the impression of fruit. So you'll see how that turns out. I've already added the purple to the other pot, and I'm mixing up the white. And then I'm going to mix in the purple. And then after that's mixed in, I'm going to get my mold. And we're going to do something different with the top on this soap too. It's very pretty, you'll see. So here's the mold, and first I'll put the white in. And I'm just going to fill it most of the way. And then we'll tap it down to get out any air bubbles. And you can see how thick and creamy the batter is right now. And then here's the purple. I'm just going to drop it in. And this makes a pretty swirl, but it also makes the design more rounded, like fruit. I really like the way it turned out. I'm just getting the air bubbles out again. And then I'm going to swirl the top. I really like putting swirls on top of soap, even if I don't keep the swirl design. Like if I cover it with something else, I still like to swirl it because I think it looks really pretty. And when you see what I do at the top, you'll understand a little better. So here I'm going to be putting some holographic glitter on top. It looks really pretty. To me it looks like snow. It's very colorful and sparkly, but it's actually biodegradable, so it's safe to use on products that get washed down the drain. So you see it looks really, really nice. So when the glitter washes off, you'll be able to see the design underneath. And here is where the disaster happened. The footage of me cutting the soap into the individual bars was completely lost. I don't know what happened to it. The files just were corrupted. I wasn't able to recover them. And so instead, I decided to put in a short video here of me trimming the soap so you can see how they look before and after I trim them. And you can see how the trimming just gives it a cleaner look, and also it makes the bars a little more comfortable to hold. You won't have the sharp edges poking into your hand, even though it's just soap. It's not going to hurt you. It's just a little more comfortable if the edges are softer like that, I think. And you can also see how that design turned out. how the swirls are thicker and more rounded. And so, like I said, to me it gives the illusion of fruit. You can really see it on that side. So I think the bars turned out really pretty. They smell wonderful. The fragrance is not overpowering. It's just a really good fragrance for wintertime. I'm going to also add a stamp to these. And you'll see that in the pictures at the end. So unfortunately this footage was lost, and the footage of some of my other videos was lost, but I'm going to do my best to film or show what I can, make as many videos for you as possible with the footage I do have. So here's the final picture. It's got the stamp on there. I've got the other two as well. And I will be posting these soaps in my Etsy shop on November 1st. You can find the link down below. Please consider giving this video a like and subscribing. And thank you for watching. Have a great day.